Have you ever wondered what programmers mean when they talk about classes and objects? It sounds complex, but it's actually as simple as baking cookies. A class is the blueprint. It's the cookie cutter. It defines the shape and the design, but it isn't a cookie itself. An object is the actual cookie you create from that cutter. You can use one cutter to make many individual cookies, each one separate from the others. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand this core concept of Java, but you'll see exactly how it works inside the computer's memory. Let's get started. Okay, let's turn that analogy into real code. Here we have an empty file called car.java. First, we define our blueprint, our cookie cutter, by creating a class. We'll call it car, public class car. This block of code is now our template. But a car needs properties, right? What data defines a car? Let's keep it simple for now and say every car has a color and a year it was made. Inside our class, we'll add these as attributes, which are also called fields or instance variables. We'll add a string for the color and an int for the year. And that's it. We've designed our blueprint. It's really important to remember this. Right now, no actual car exists. We've just created the template for making them. Now for the fun part. Let's go to our main program and actually use our blueprint to create some objects. We declare a variable of type car, we'll call it car1, and then we use the most important keyword in object-oriented programming. New. Car1 equal new car. When Java sees the word new, it looks at our car blueprint and creates a brand new car object in the computer's memory. This object is called an instance of the car class, and since we have the blueprint, we can create as many as we want. Let's make another one. Car2 equals new car. We now have two completely separate car objects, but how can we be sure? Let's look under the hood at the computer's memory. This is what's happening inside your computer's memory. On the top is the stack. This is a temporary workspace where local variables like car1 and car2 live. But notice they don't hold the car itself. They hold a reference, which is just an address that points to where the actual object lives. And on the bottom is the heap. This is the main long-term memory where all objects are stored. As you can see, we have two completely separate car objects, each with its own set of attributes, color and year. The code follows the reference from the car1 variable to the first object on the heap, and its data is red and 2023. Crucially, the second object, car2, is completely untouched. This is the visual proof that they are separate instances. Each cookie can have its own frosting, and changing one doesn't affect the other. And that's the fundamental concept of classes and objects in Java. If you can remember that a class is the blueprint, an object is the instance, and you use the new keyword to create it, you've mastered the most important idea in object-oriented programming. Your challenge is to try it yourself. Create a person class with name and age attributes. Then, in your main method, create two different person objects. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.